Shopping around for microphones can be rather overwhelming, especially because of the price and the abundance of microphones. There's a wide range of wireless mics and wired mics. So I've done a few videos now on different microphones at different price ranges to give you an idea of the quality and what to expect. And this is going to be another one of those videos, but this time it's going to be on the upper range of prices. So I did one that was about $30, about $80, and now this one is roughly $100 to $120. And for beginners, I think that's a good price point to end at, just because you want to get started, but you also want good audio quality. So this company here, DJI, is reputable. It's known. Everyone knows them for their drones and other camera gear, and they've decided to make a wireless mic system. So we're going to test the quality and see how it compares to the other two I've done. So we're going to go ahead and open the box and get started here. So we're going to just try to cut the plastic here, like so, and get into the box. So once again, I've already done a few videos on different audio microphones ranging from price. The same system, wireless, typically a lavalier. I do this because most people that do recordings are going to be on the go. I try to figure out how to open this box. Here we go. So we're going to once again test this version, and right away the presentation's a lot nicer. The other two don't even come in cases, so that's a good start. This is feels like a carrying case, so we're gonna go ahead and open it, and I'm definitely can tell that everything that comes in the box is inside this case. So right off the rip, you get a nice case that holds all the components that come in the box, which is really nice, especially when you're traveling, so you don't have to worry about losing any of it. So this here is the wind guards for the microphones, so we'll get into that later. You have the case itself, definitely a little heavy and dense, so that's a good sign. And then everything in the case, you have the charging cable. So this is, oh no, this looks like a microphone extender cable, connect to a camera. So we'll go over everything out of the wrap. We're just taking everything out of the box. And that's everything. This is the case itself. It's rather thick, a lot of fabric there, and it's insulated inside, so that's good. And then of course you got the manual on how to use. So let's get the wrapper off all this stuff so I can show you in detail what it all looks like. But this is everything that comes in the box. Okay, everything is out of the wrapper, and now we're going to go over all the stuff. So you get 4 microphone wind guards here. This is to prevent the pops and the S's from blowing out your audio. That tends to happen when you deal with microphones. That's really nice. Oops. That's really nice. So you get 4 of them because you get 2 microphones. This is the camera input extension, so if you need to put anything in, you get an extra length cable here. So you got that, and then you have the charging cable here. This is to charge the case, USB-C to USB-A. Standard stuff there. We're going to take a quick look at the case here. So that's what it looks like. It's relatively large, pretty dense. Definitely bigger than the previous one I've done. You have a little sticker here telling you how to open it. Let's just go ahead and take that off. I'll put that right there for now. Yeah, you just press the button and it opens. So you have a few things in here. You got 2 microphones right here, and you have the main receiver, and you have a cable. This is a USB-C cable, it looks like. So that will help you connect to most smartphones and devices. So that's everything that comes in the box. It's your traditional wireless mic setup. So obviously when you put them in the case, they are going to charge, and then you can charge the case using the USB-C connector there. So like any other modern microphone setup, once again, these are relatively sleek, really nice, really small. Definitely feel high quality there, so that's good. So we put it back in, as you see, they're charging. So That's everything that comes in the box. And now we're going to charge these up and connect them to the phone so you can get the audio quality test. And we'll go from there. So let's go ahead and let these charge. And I'll set it up so we can begin that part. Now I'll let it charge a little bit. Just begin the setup part so we can test the audio. So of course, when you open the case, you have the charge level here. Everything's charging inside. So we're gonna grab the receiver. This part connects to your phone. And then there's also a little piece back here. That's your connector. Because this thing connects to cameras and other things, they have different connectors for different applications. So in this case, it's a USB-C connector. So that's gonna go to the bottom of your phone or device, whatever you decide to use. So to do that, you're gonna find the port that it connects to, which is right here. You're going to slide it out like so, looks like that. Don't lose that piece because it protects the little pins in here and you don't want those to get damaged. So definitely don't lose that. So this thing is pretty snug. It takes a lot of force, so don't force it in too much, but also it will be a little tight. It's a tight fit, so just kind of push it in. Make sure it's flush, which mine isn't, so I gotta apply more pressure. But make sure it's nice and snug. There we go. Okay, I had to make sure it was properly inserted. So just make sure it's flush with the back here before you connect it, so that way all the pins are making full contact. So yeah, basically you connect it to your phone and this part here should be visible. So we're gonna demonstrate that now. So you connect it like so, and it should look something like that. Now the phone recognizes it, but so this is gonna get the connection it needs, and it's flashing green because it's looking for a microphone. So if we unlock this phone and go to the camera app, go to video, it now has a steady light. So we're gonna grab a microphone and see if it pairs. It should pair automatically like so. And like any other wireless system, it should be active now. So when you start recording, this microphone will be used to get the audio. So that's pretty much the basics, how to set it up. Now there's a few controls right here that I'll get into. So let me take it off of this so I can show you closer. But that's the basics on how to set it up and use it. Of course, the microphone has some buttons on here, so we'll showcase that next before we begin the audio portion. So let's do that real quick. Okay, so as mentioned earlier, the receiver has a few buttons on it. So you have the pair button here. So this port is for the line out to connect to a camera. So it will take over the audio system on the camera. So you connect it using a cable I showed in the unboxing, and then you connect to the camera, and that will mount on top of the camera for audio. You have a decibel meter here, so it's at 0, which is what you want it at, as much as you can. But if you need to drop the gain or raise it, or this +6, +12, and then -6, -12. So that's for decibel control. But do your best to keep it at 0 because this can greatly hinder your audio. And then you got the power button here. So that's all the controls on the main receiver. And then you got I have the microphone here. As you see, it's relatively small. Nice sleek design here. So it has a few buttons on here. It's a magnetic clip. So clip that on your shirt. You can attach this to any metal surface and it'll stick to that. So that's pretty cool. So there's the microphone itself. You have 2 buttons here. You have the power button that also acts as a noise cancellation button. So we'll definitely test that when we do the audio part. Then you got the link button. So if you want to transfer between devices, because you can do Bluetooth or use the transceiver there. So that's everything on this microphone. So we're going to go ahead and set it up and get started with the audio demonstration. So you see what it sounds like. So let's go ahead and get into that. So as I pointed out the microphone earlier, we're going to install the wind guard. So it comes with 4 of them, different colors. This will help prevent distortion when you make certain sounds like P's and S's, and if you're outside and there's wind. So just go ahead and line it up. It goes on one way. The clips right here. That goes on the back side, so you just kind of line it up. And it clips in like so. And this is what it looks like when it's on. So this will help with the audio not being distorted by the gust of winds. So let's go ahead and start the audio demonstration now. So this is what it sounds like with the DJI microphone connected and paired. So no settings have been changed, and I just connected to the phone and paired the two, and this is what you're hearing. So let me know what you think of the audio quality of the two different mic types, so the iPhone and the DJI. So now I'm going to enable the noise cancellation mode and see if you can notice a difference there. Let's see what it sounds like. So turning it on right now. So as mentioned earlier, that was the normal one. Here's the noise cancellation mode. So I'm gonna make some noise in the background, see if you can hear it. And also you'll see a yellow indicator on the top right of the microphone, letting you know that that mode is enabled. So I'm making noise as much as I can and see how well it picks it up. I'm going to turn it off now, and I'm going to make the same noise and see if you can notice the difference. So noise cancellation is going off now. So I'm going to make the same amount of noise. Not going to be as loud as before because I'm pretty sure it's going to capture everything. So just kind of making noise around. So that's what it sounds like with the microphone system set up. So let me know what you think. I'm going to go back to the iPhone so you have an idea of what that microphone sounds like after this one, and then I'll do the outro. Okay, so I just finished the DJI microphone test, and we're back on the iPhone, just so you have an idea what it sounds like between the two. And let me know what you think about this system. Is it higher quality? Does it sound good? Do you think it could do better? This is once again about $100, $120. So it's on the upper range of the previous ones I've done. And I personally think it's good, but I'm curious to hear what you guys have to say about it. So I'm gonna do my final thoughts on this using this system, and that'll be the outro for the video. So okay, so my final thoughts on this is it's a really good design. For the money you pay, it has a lot of wonderful features. It's well thought out. You know, the case is relatively nice. It's bulky. It fits everything snug. And it even comes with a traveling case, which is really helpful to keep track of your things so you don't lose them. So that's a really cool benefit. In terms of the mic quality, I do notice it is a lot clearer and a little more pronounced. So this definitely is the better of the three that I've done. But for beginners, I think if you can find this on sale, it will be great. You'll definitely get the best of the best in terms of the price range. But the $30 one was really nice too, and that was plenty good compared to a smartphone microphone system. So if you don't have the money, then you know it's not a big deal. Of course, if you do, then definitely go for this one because it has everything you need and it sounds really, really good. But the differences aren't too big, and if you are on a budget, then just do the $30 one. It will get the job done, definitely. So all in all, this is a really good system. I think it's worth it in my opinion. And if I were to decide, I'd probably go with this one just because of the overall design. It comes with the case. It's expandable. So this little piece right here is kind of made so it can be used with other devices, mainly cameras, because this thing is also compatible with drones too. As mentioned, this is a drone company, so they make really high-end drones. And once again, this is for the price, it's pretty versatile, and I think all in all, it's a overall good buy. So that's my final thoughts on it. Let me know what you think. I hope this helped you make the decision on what microphone to get. If you liked it, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know how I did and what do you think of the microphone quality. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.